Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about Sumifs. Well, Sumif is a very useful and powerful function in Excel. With this function we can find the total of any specific thing in Excel. So first of all, I'm going to start here and I want to find the total of orders by state. So it's similar to count ifs, but here is the problem. So we have one range, etc. here. So I want to type my formula here, equal sign, Sumifs, and here always I have to, first of all I have to write here the range of the total, the things that I want to sum up. I just write here total, which is the name range, comma. After that I select the state range, comma. After that I select the specific state and enter. You can see it works. I just drag it down and change its format to currency. You can see it shows the amount of sales in these three states: New York, California, Texas. So the next one I want to apply here the total of orders by customer type. So I just write here Sumifs. I should write the total here, total, comma, customer type, comma. I select this, close the bracket and enter. I drag it down and change it to currency. Yep. So it's very similar to count ifs, but here I want to apply some complicated formulas here. So I have here two examples. I come here to the first example. I want to find the total sales by account manager, by each account manager, how much each account manager sells during the period of time. So I just write here equal sign, Sumifs, should type total, tab, comma. After that account manager, comma, and select first account manager, close the bracket and enter. George sold $135,000. You can see it shows the amount of each account manager sold during this period of time. So it's easy. And next I want to apply this, how much sell each account manager in each year. It's a little bit complicated, but don't worry. Equal sign, Sumifs. You should not forget the total to be the first. Total, comma. It's now up to you. You use the order year or account manager. So we are going to account manager first. Account manager, comma. So when I select the George, I have to lock the column, so it should not move. I press F4 3 times, comma. The next one, I write the order here, which is here, tab and comma. Now I have to select the year 2018 here, and here I have to lock the row. I have to press F4 2 times. Yeah, it works fine. Close the bracket and enter. So it's a very powerful tool. You can see first we have the total. It should be always, it should be the first. The next one, account manager, this one. So now I can just drag my formula to the right and down. It works magically. So I want to repeat this again to the next example. I just come here. This is the total of orders by year and state here. I just type here equal sign Sumifs. I should write total, comma, after that the order here, tab, comma. Here when I select this, I have to block the column, which is I have to click on F4 3 times, 1 2 3, comma. After that the state, write the state range, comma, and I select New York City, and here I have to lock the row 2 times, 4 1 2, close the bracket and enter. It shows the amount of sales in New York City in 2010. So I just drag it down and drag it to the right. Here I have used the name ranges, but if you are not familiar, so I want to repeat this again. I don't want to use the name ranges. Instead I want to select the ranges. Here the total of orders by state, I want to repeat this again, delete. So I want to just write here Sumifs, and here instead of writing the name range, I just select the whole range, comma, it commits name, can't do anything about that. So the next one, I select the state, comma, where is the state? Here is the state, comma. You can see I select the range and it's the state, and here this one, close the bracket and enter. Yep, it works the same, but name range is very powerful. It can accelerate our work. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.